So you're thinking about becoming a U.S. citizen. What are the benefits to naturalizing? What can I do with citizenship? Is it worth the hassle and money? Well, fortunately for you, I'm that immigration guy, and I'll answer those questions and a lot more. Welcome to my channel. I'm Brent Newcomb. If you're new here, I'm that immigration guy, an attorney focusing solely in immigration law for more than 20 years. And I've helped literally hundreds of people obtain citizenship in that time. I do want you to remember that I'm not giving you specific legal advice about your case. Every case is unique and has its own unique challenges. This is an informative video. For advice on your particular situation, please seek help from a qualified and experienced immigration attorney, such as me, that immigration guy. So, you've been considering applying for citizenship for some time. You've held your green card for several years and think now is the time. Should you do it? Well, there are several benefits that citizenship gives you. First and foremost, you're allowed to vote in federal elections, such as for Congress or President of the United States. Most states also restrict the right to vote to U.S. citizens as well. Voting is one of the primary and fundamental ways we can voice our opinion about how we are governed. We hold voting sacred. If you want things to change for the better, your vote is the single best method for accomplishing change. And citizenship gives you that right, if you're 18 years or older, to vote in federal elections and state elections. I promise there is nothing more satisfying as a patriotic American than voting. Second, you are eligible to bring family members to the U.S. Citizens get priority when petitioning for family members to come permanently to the United States. As a citizen, you are eligible to sponsor your spouse, children, parents, and even siblings. Some of the categories are immediate, such as your spouse and minor children, and even your parents. Some have a waiting period, such as for older children who may be married or your brother or sister. I have several videos about bringing in family members. Be sure to check those out. Third, you can pass on your citizenship to children born abroad. In most cases, a child born to a U.S. citizen is automatically a citizen. This is a very significant right of citizens, allowing your children to live and flourish in the wonderful United States. If you do have a child born abroad, you should request a certificate of citizenship from the USCIS. My office can help with this process. This also allows a child to obtain a U.S. passport. Fourth, you are eligible to travel with a U.S. passport. This is another very valuable asset when traveling abroad. Many countries have favorable entry requirements for U.S. citizens. In addition, the U.S. government will stand behind you and you can get assistance when outside the U.S. Problems do arise when traveling. It's always nice to know that you can contact our embassy or consulate and you will receive help. In addition, you cannot be denied entry into the United States as a U.S. citizen. Fifth, you're eligible for federal jobs. Most federal job employment and some state ones require U.S. citizenship to be eligible. Sixth, you may run for federal office. A significant majority of elected offices in the U.S. require U.S. citizenship. Seventh, obtaining citizenship is a wonderful way to show your patriotism and your commitment to your new country. The pride of American citizenship cannot be understated. We live in the best country in the world, and our freedom and opportunity cannot be rivaled. Eighth, you have protection from deportation if you happen to be involved in criminal activity or activity that would make a green card holder deportable. Well, I hope this never happens to you. A citizen cannot be deported from the United States. Thus, if you are found guilty of a crime such as felony theft or drug use, there is a potential of being deported or removed if you only hold the legal permanent resident card. But as a citizen, you cannot be removed. Again, hope this doesn't apply to you, but it is a significant benefit. So if you've decided to start the process and this list has been helpful, Write the words "going for it" in the comment section. I would love to know how many people this has helped. If you have your own personal stories, feel free to share them below as well. Please see my other videos for additional topics that may be of interest to you in your immigration journey. I do wish you all of the luck in the world, but please remember this video has been informative. I give my clients a significantly more detailed look at how to prepare before going into the interview, including a prep on the exam, on the full forms, and also unexpected questions that might be thrown at them. If you have any issues in your case, please seek professional help, such as from my office. Well, in a nutshell, that's a brief explanation of the benefits of citizenship as explained by me, that immigration guy. If you like this video, hit like below and please subscribe. I'll be putting out regular content every few days. Share the video. Contact my office for your specific case. I'll be more than happy to help. And remember, that immigration guy for your future legal needs.